For a small business, time and brand consistency are your most valuable assets. Filmora 15, 2025 version, is designed to act as an AI-powered marketing assistant rather than just an editor. Here is a professional workflow designed specifically for small business owners to create high-converting promotional content in under 20 minutes. Part 1, Rapid Pre-Production, the AI Assistant. Don't start with a blank screen. Use Filmora's business-specific AI tools to build your foundation. 1. AI text-to-video *. If you have a blog post or a product description, paste it into the AI text-to-video tool. It will automatically find relevant stock footage, add subtitles, and place background music for you. 2. AI copywriting, chat integrated. If you don't have a script, use the AI copywriting tool within Filmora. Type, write a 30-second high-energy script for an industry sale, and it will generate your voice-over text and captions. Part 2, Professional Branding and Editing. A professional business video must be consistent with your brand identity. Custom templates *. Go to the Templates tab and search for your niche, example real estate, restaurant, e-commerce. Drag it to the timeline to get pre-designed layouts. The Brand Kit Workflow * Logo Reveal * Use the Influence Kit to find logo reveal animations. Drop your PNG logo in, and Filmora will animate it as a professional intro. Text and colors *. Once you set your brand font and colors in one title, use the Save as Preset button. This ensures every future video uses the exact same hex codes. AI Smart Cutout *. If you filmed a talking head video in a messy office, use Smart Cutout to remove the background and replace it with a clean, blurred office or a professional solid color without needing a green screen. Part 3, Polishing for Big Brand Quality. AI Audio Enhancer *. Small business videos often suffer from poor audio, echo or background hum. Select your audio clip and click AI Audio Enhancer to make it sound like it was recorded in a studio. AI Audio Ducking *. This is critical. It automatically lowers the background music whenever you are speaking so your message isn't drowned out. Dynamic Captions *. Use the AI speech-to-text tool. In 2025, Filmora can generate Alex Hormozzi-style captions, word-by-word highlighting, with one click, which is proven to increase engagement on social media. Professional tip, batching content. Instead of making one video, use the AI Smart Short Clips tool. Upload one long video, like a 10-minute webinar or tutorial, and the AI will automatically identify the most viral moments and cut them into 5 to 10 separate social media ads for you. Bonus, Marketing Strategy Checklist.